Okonye kurwa sekiombe mukuru sense ya America umenye gali tukulira okorekana asenya getari ya Nyanza Mission Hospital abwase gwetania abantu 50 wabagokonyeka asoko webirogo gosichi wheelchair buno tokumanyigwa no muri Keito Mildred Mumanyi
Buna enchere ya moyo gusira abantu bamete no bolемanigo ekiombe kia Chair Love ekigetari kia serikali kurwa ense ya America banyara kurwa obokonyi wechi wheelchair uchese abantu 55 ase kirenga kiabo kirekoro kia obwanchani asa abantu bamete no bolemavu na omuteneri bekiombe kyo akoerera.
We are a United States-based non-profit organization, and we provide the gift of mobility to people around the world who have neither the means nor the access to a wheelchair. And we are here in Kenya delivering 2 shipping containers, that's over 500 wheelchairs, to people throughout Kenya. We've been with the Western Union Conference of the SDA as well as the Eastern Conference. It's because we are called to do it by God. We are here to love God and love one another, and that's what we choose to do here at Chair the Love.
Igati abali abakonyeka kurwa aso murubiri yigani go bagokera obokonyo boiga ase bairera igati emechando babere bagwetera
achande kire sama tuka matambe igonkwa guranse ande tikabagandira gokonya abande te banganiche bwieka.
Wagonjwa wamesumbuka sana, hasa kama my husband amesumbuka sana kutoka 2016 tukienda hospitali tuwa tunahaya wheelchair, but we had already applied lakini imechelewa sana.
Sechinga kiechoni goba kambia asobokonyo wo asebagania gocha kogenderia enchiri gocha asabande bale bamete no bole magotwara ogosemeria nabo igokuburia ekiombekyo gocha kogendera no bokonyi obwo
mtu echa bana na sekitora sechiwiriche mtu nabana ngotokurandi onyango terasi chiwiriche ngotogo sabasi bonsplas kanisa chionzi antu bato bali baga asadi una dole disability na ntu bato bali baga onene sabata ya mutonyara ko bato tokurandi abantu tubwate chingu
akiri neke ombege chago to chiwiriche na tabirenga mbia bono segas bakora ane bakoto biyo so mobility la peraisi ko yandagira se ka to ka dengitari po checking up or any other place so ko gande kanisa avera raisa sana base mobility na tabirenga mbia bono sana
yonko ira nelianga mbia mono aseke ombeke ya tokonyire chinyangeje
golipotelea igitaseni kia Ndizi TV ile
mbia muno muri Keito Mildred Mumanyi asorobotirwo ase